So my name is Thibaut Malet. I work in a small workshop in Montpellier in the south of France. I work under the name Thibaut Malet Studio. I work on different projects, but it's often on small figurines, for example. I really like my last project. It's called Museau, and it's 3 different figurines. There is different wooden block, and you can share the block between the animals, and you can create other shapes or other animals and hybrid animals. I really like to work on playful projects, and sometimes the inspiration comes just to make an accident with another project that can remind you an idea for an assembly. You can be inspired by the wood and the nature, and the inspiration is everywhere. I grew up in a carpenter family, since I was young, I saw my father and my brother work in a workshop, so it was very inspiring for me. And yes, today I try to do the same stuff, but with a more modern way. I really like to work on a small scale. The most important thing for me is to do the best with the less piece of wood.